Alright guys, check it out. Trenton's 1986 Iroc Z28. We just had to pull it out of the shed today to get one of our vintage sleds down, and this thing was just burning the snow up sitting out here. I had to get a video of it. I've done a few walk-arounds on this car. I had to do another one. This thing looks just smoking hot sitting out here in the snow. Let's walk around it. Let's take a look at it again. We've seen it before, but let's take a look at it again here out in the snow. We lowered it. After the last video, we've lowered it down a couple inches. He's got the correct size tires on it now. He put a lowering kit in it also. He's got this thing sitting down low. I can hardly get in and out of it now. He's still young. He doesn't mind. I have to roll in the car and roll back out of it. Here's that Flowmaster exhaust system we built for it. It's just sitting here just purring. Sounds so nice. He spent 6 months working on this car over the winter. Not last winter, the winter before. He did 90% of the work himself at 16 years old. Our neighbor helped him with the body work along with me. I sprayed the paint on the car, but he did 100% of the disassembly and 100% of the assembly of the car. It's got a nice color tint on the windows here. They're not totally blacked out. You can still see inside the car a little bit. This thing looks sharp sitting out here. All he did was pull the car cover off it, fire it up, and backed it out of the shed. It's been sitting in there since about October. It's January now. It hasn't been cleaned or nothing. This is how he put it away. He keeps this thing immaculate, and he slides a car cover over it. Oh, is that thing gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Alright guys, thanks for checking out Trenton's 1986 Camaro Iroc Z28.